Yeah, guys, you want to build a website and you don't want to spend any naira, or you just want to use it for process of learning. I'm here to teach you that. Yeah, we introduce you to some free web hosting provider that is available online. Number one on my list here is called Infinity Free, infinityfree.net. So they give us free hosting, like free, fastest, everything, and then they give us free 5 gigabytes disk space and all these unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, free subdomain. So we can even use it like I have a camera game, so I will just exploit it. But let me explain to the second one. Google Hosting, they give us free hosting, free resources. You can create an account with them. And the last one is WordSpace. So WordSpace, just click on their free hosting. They give us free hosting free. And you can just sign up with them, see the resources they give us. So, but on this tutorial now, I will use Infinity Free to exploit. So I create an account, I log in. This is my Gmail. So on the accounts page, I just create hosting. I want to create a new hosting account. And I will just use some domain, WordPress. So these are domain extension, the guinea.epz.com.web2.admin. I think I like this, epz.com, so conibet.ez. These are the free hosting. And then let me check the available. Okay, hola, is available. I can use it. I can create my account name. It's automatically generated. Good. I maybe it's my FTP password and I create the account. So my account is created and I can open my cPanel. They give me cPanel. Put on this. Okay, they're giving me I can say their time on condition. Hola, Infinity Free cPanel. See the cPanel look like the one we have before. So everything we have our WordPress. Cool. So I can decide to install WordPress now. So I can just search, turning into WordPress software, and under software we see software installer. So under software app installer, German error. Sometimes these are some issues you can be facing with hosting. Because it's free, you just have to reload many times. So I have it now. I can install my WordPress, I can install Joomla. So I just want to install WordPress. Now I can install WordPress to my WordPress.epz, which is the free domain, which is cool. You understand all this? Just install your WordPress. Install. Let me install. You just add a WordPress. Let me tune it to WordPress. Let's come and install. Okay, I've not set admin username and password. Oh, sorry. Pardon me. So admin. And I did my password. With the going to the start. WordPress is installed to my server. Hola, I have it. I can see my WordPress site live anywhere in the world. I can see it. So, and I can view my admin panel too. Sometimes you have to reload it many times because it's free. They will be redirecting you to different websites. And like this one, I have reloaded up to 5 to 10 times before I can access it. So it's free. So you just have to know that you have to face a lot of easy way that isn't free stuff. And so you can access to admin panel here. So this is our WordPress admin. Yes, this I don't even look. So let's put my username admin, password, so login. So now I'm in the WordPress admin panel under the condupress.epz.com. So with the free hosting, free domain, you can modify it to do anything that you want to do later. But sometimes you can just be facing an error, some redirection, some stuff like that. Just manage it since it's a process for learning, and then you can be using it. So with this, you can be able to design your website for free, and you'll have a free hosting and free domain. So just install your template and build it. Guys, I'm glad to share this with you.
And what is your people to you? Fortune television, I think, and then the death first, if you